Hey Maker, in this video I'm showing you how I came up with the idea for this styled photo of a skincare product I'm working with. It's a blue tansy facial oil, and the goal with this photo was to make it feel clean, natural, and something that would actually live on someone's bathroom shelf. Nothing fancy, just intentional. I'll walk you through the setting I chose, the props I'm using, the background, and why each piece works together to support the aesthetic I'm going for. If this is your first time joining me, hey, I'm Christina Nicole, product photography coach for makers. So first, let's talk about the setting. I'm building a shelf scene, kind of like a shelfie, to make it feel like this product is part of a real routine. I'm not doing a flat lay, not doing a studio setup, just a calm, cozy corner that looks like someone's actual bathroom. I wanted the scene to feel warm, minimal, and relaxed, like something you'd actually want to wake up to every morning. For the background, I'm using chai plaster. This is a replica surface. It has this soft, earthy texture that adds interest without being too loud. It's warm, natural, and helps the product pop, especially since this is a clear glass bottle with a white label. For the shelf surface, I went with a light wood. It's simple and natural. It warms things up and helps the whole scene feel grounded and real. It's a material that fits into a calm, eco-friendly home, which the vibe of this photo really well. Next up, let's talk props. I'm keeping this super simple, just a few things that support the idea of this skincare routine and slow living without distracting from the actual product. First, I'm using this waffle textured towel. I love this because it will add softness and a little bit of movement to the image. It will make the photo feel more inviting, like someone's just used the towel and set it down. Then I will add a ceramic jar with a couple of bamboo toothbrushes. Nothing staged. This is the kind of thing you'd naturally have on your shelf in your bathroom. The ceramic adds a clean, minimal feel, and the bamboo gives it that sustainable touch. I chose a bamboo soap dish with a handmade bar of soap. Again, simple and practical. It helps tell the story that this facial oil is part of a bigger routine. Cleanse, then nourish. I'm also going to tuck a little bit of wild grass just off to the side. This is going to add a natural element that breaks up the straight lines within my image and brings a little extra softness. I didn't want to use flowers because this feels more grounded and quiet. So that's how I planned this skincare shelfie photo. Again, nothing complicated, just a few simple choices that support the aesthetic I wanted. If you want to see the rest of the process, how I styled everything, how I lit the scene, how I shot the photos and edited the final image, I'm walking you through every step in this 5-video series. You can watch the full process from start to finish by clicking the link in the description below. I hope it gives you some ideas for your own product photos. See you next time.